Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this look, so let's go ahead and get started. We are using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette today, and we're actually going to be switching off between two really intense pinks. We have this bright magenta and then we have the darker magenta as well. So go ahead and dip in both of those, and you really want to go ahead and pack this all over your lid. So next we're going to be dipping into two oranges. We have a darker orange and we have a lighter matte orange. One is a little shimmer, one is a regular matte. And this time we're going to be applying this color to the inside corners of our eye. You want to go ahead and make sure you really pack on this orange while also blending with that previous magenta. Next, we're switching to the palette, the only palette that I have that actually has a deep red, the Juvia's Place the Festivals palette. And like I said, we're going to be going for that deep red. And this color is going to go into the cut crease area. You don't want to blend it too much with that magenta or the orange, but you want to have enough to intensify the cut crease area.
Dr. Gonz on the beat, yeah.
So now we're going to go ahead and start our cut crease. Yeah girl, that beautiful infamous cut crease. We are using a white concealer by Conceal, and you're just going to go ahead and block out the shape, and then you're going to go ahead and then fill that in with a different concealer. Okay girl, and for the second concealer we're using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in color C1. This is a thicker, more opaque concealer and I absolutely love this. So go ahead, and after you apply the color, you're going to go ahead and use a flat brush just to really crisp up that cut crease. So now we're going to go ahead and start working with our cut crease. We're going back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. We're going to go back into that light magenta and that dark magenta, and we're going to start working on fading out the ends of that cut crease. So now after you have worked in that faded cut crease, you're going to go back into that deep red and you're going to add this again to the inner cut crease area. So now we're going to go ahead and switch palettes. This is my go-to palette, the Zulu by Juvia's Place. And we're going to go for that bright orange. And this is going to go all over basically the rest of our eye, the inner tear ducts. And you're going to go ahead and fade that in with the red as well. So now what I'm doing here, I'm actually taking a super thin brush and I'm dipping that into that red eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going right above where the orange is. That way you can really see that red contrast line in our cut crease.
Dr. Gonz on the beat, yeah.
Now it's time for my favorite part. We're adding our glitter. Yes. So I'm adding two different colors of glitter here. I'm adding a darker, more yellow gold glitter, and then a lighter, more champagne glitter. And before we apply that, we're going to go obviously with our base booster. And you're basically just going to apply that to half of the cut crease. That way the glitter would be fading in and it's not a super harsh line. So go ahead and pack on your base booster and then go ahead and add the glitter. So this is the base for my eyes and I absolutely love it. I really think that glitter is like really setting it off. I mean, glitter will set off any look, but this one especially because it just looks super nice. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my face and I'll be right back. Bam. Yes, honey. Yes. Do you see this look? Tell me I'm not slaying right now. Like complete manslaughter. So we're going to go ahead and move on using our standard black pencil liner, and this is just going to go underneath our waterline.
Dr. Gonz on the beat, yeah.
Next, we're going to go add a little bit more color to our bottom lash line. We're going to go back into the Zulu palette. This time we're going to go for that purple. And like I said, this is going to go underneath our lash line. moving on to our highlights, we are using our AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter. This is Bubbly and this is absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually thinking about giving one of these away because I have a few on my stash. What do you guys think? So moving on to our highlight, we're going with our Kiss Professionals Rose, and this is going to go to our nose, our inner tear ducts, and our brow bone. Or did I do this with my inner tear ducts? I think I actually went with the glitter for our tear ducts, and this glitter is the lighter champagne glitter, not that darker yellow gold. Moving on to our lip, we are actually going to do a super simple clear gloss for the lip just because I already have a lot going on. So just go ahead and apply that and then look cute, honey. So this is the finished look for this look. I think this is cute. Like, I mean, I said that about all of my looks, but like seriously, you guys, tell me you're not ready for spring with this look. It's super poppin'. Please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Dr. Gonz.